Hello everyone. Today we discuss plotting of graphs using sagemath. Sagemath is an open source software. You may use this software uh, online mode also. This gives a platform for sagemath cell server. Okay, because we plot these graphs, because there is a paper in BSc mathematics student in State University of Uttar Pradesh, and there is a practical paper 2 in BSc first semester student. So now we draw these graphs and some more graphs using sagemath. So first we open sagemath cell. This is your sagemath cell icon. So we click on this. So this sagemath cell opens. After that, first we plot a very simple graph x, y is equal to x. So we write plot plot. In small parenthesis we put x and put an enter. Then this is a graph of the curve y is equal to x, which is a straight line passing through origin. And look at this, the value on x-axis is -1 to +1. Well, and now we increase this, the default shown of picture, the range of x is -1 to +1. We may increase these values of x on x-axis. So we write plot x, put a square bracket, put insert comma, x min is equal to -5, x max is equal to 5. Then put enter. Then you look at this. Now the value on x-axis will increases from -1 to 5. Okay. Now we are trying to draw the graph of ax. Okay. So we write plot in a square bracket a star x for a in range. Put the value of a from 1 to suppose that 10. Okay, you may define any value of a from 1 to 100, 99, 5, 10, 2. Then we put enter. After that we get 9 graphs: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Y is equal to ax is a straight line passing through origin and inclination a. If we change a, then you get different straight line. These are the family of straight lines. Okay. Now again we change the value of x from -5 to 5. You can take any arbitrary value, minimum value and maximum value of x. So for example, if we take this value -2 and the maximum value is 50, and then put enter. Look at this. Okay, we take -2, so it start from -2 and 50. Okay, the graph will be changed. Now come on to the next graph. We are trying to draw graph of greatest integer function. The greatest integer function is your floor function. So we write plot in bracket FLOOR, floor, and then put enter. Then this gives you the graph of floor function, and default setting of the value of x is -1 to +1. Now we change the scale. Okay, -1 to +1. Okay, so we write plot in a square bracket floor and in parenthesis we put x, okay, and close the square bracket, put a insert comma, put a comma, x min is equal to minus 10, x max is equal to plus 10, okay, then put enter. We get graph of greatest integer function, floor function, okay. Now we come on to the our next graph, x to the power 2n, okay. For plotting x to the power 2n, we first plot the function plot x square, put x caret 2, so put enter. Look at this, this is a parabolic graph, okay, and again you see the default value of x is -1 to +1. Now we can change the value of x, so we put a parenthesis, x min is equal to -5, x max is equal to 5, and press enter. Then what we get? We get a parabolic graph, okay, in which the x-axis is a tangent to the vertex of the parabola, okay. Next we looking for the graph of plot better to write plot x to the power 4, okay. What happened? This, look at this, okay, this is the graph of x to the power 4. Now come on to the graph of x to the power 2n. So we write plot in small parenthesis, then we put square bracket, and in square bracket we write 2 star n, and write in the square bracket for n in range your now you take range from 1 to 10, okay, you take any value, we take 1 to 10 for convenience. So we press enter, then you get the graph of this. If we change the value of n, now look at this, now we change the value of n from 1 to 10 to 1 to 5, okay, then put what happened, this is the graph, okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Now we change the value from 5 to 3, okay, and what we will get? We get this graph, this is the graph. Now we again change the value to 2, there is only one primitive, there is only one graph, this, look at this, okay. So this is the graph of x to the power 2n. Now come on to the graph of x to the power 2n minus 1. So we 2n minus 1, okay. So for this we put plot and put a parenthesis in 2n minus 1. So this will your graph of, and change the range of n from 2 to 5. And one more thing, okay, first we press enter, what happened? Look at this, the graph of this function, this is the graph of function, okay. if we change the value of n from take 2 to 5, okay, what happened? Okay, this is the graph of the function. Next we come on to the graph of x to the power 1 by x to the power 2n. Okay, so 1 by x to the power 2n for n in range of 1 to 5. We take 1 to 5, and you know 1 upon x is undefined when x is equal to 0. So we assume x is from 1 to minimum value is 1 and maximum value is 5. Then what happened? Look at the graph. This is the graph. There is a 4 graphs. Okay, now if we take minimum value is 1 and maximum value is 5. Now we take maximum value is your 10. Okay, then look at this. Okay, now come on to the next graph. Our next graph is 1 by x to the power 2n minus 1. So we write 1 by x to the power 2n minus 1, and again we substitute the value because 1 by x is undefined for x is equal to 0. So we take the values from 1 to 5. Okay, look at this. This is the graph of the function. Okay, now again we take the value value of x from 1 by 10 to 5. What happened? Look at this. This graph is going to be near to closer to 0. Okay, so and this is the graph of the function. So these are the some examples of drawing the graph of the function. In the next video we discuss some more plotting of graphs of the function related to the BSc part 1 practical paper, okay, using sagemath or sagemath cell. Okay, thank you.